Fuck nigga, I don't wanna hear it. Ain't talking the bag, I cover my ears. I hop in the lamb, I'm switching the gears. My bitches is ballin', make these niggas chill. Out of my baguettes with a crush face. I leave a bitch mad with the stuck face. Who the fuck y'all hoes please?
Hi everybody, this is TheRealNiqqque channel. I am the real beat. Hi everybody, this is TheRealNiqqque channel. I am the real Nick, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're not new, then welcome back. So today you're gonna watch me do my hair. I'm gonna be crimping a 30-inch sewing. I'm gonna put crimps in this. So y'all just gonna watch me do that, and that's gonna be the end of the video. So enjoy. Oh, let me do a better intro. Hi everybody, I'm TheRealNiqqque. If you're new, my name is Nick. This is my channel. I'm just trying to get back on YouTube, basically, like I always am. Every other video, always explaining why I'm trying to get back. But I'm not gonna explain it there. I'm just gonna get into the video, and then I'm gonna need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, subscribe to the TRN gang. TRN gang has been going on for a couple years now, and now it's time to elevate. It's time to get to it. It's trying to get to the bag. It's time to collab. It's time to get out there. So yeah, I'm gonna just let y'all see me do my hair. I'm gonna let y'all see me do these crimps. Y'all tell me how I did at the end of the video. Any videos that you guys would like to have on the channel, like anything you want me to post, just let me know in the comments. Follow my Instagram, which is TheRealNiqqque. Follow my Twitter, which is TheRealNiqqque. And yeah, let's get into it. To achieve this look, you will need a couple things. Sorry, you're hurt. To achieve this look, you will need a couple things. I'm gonna be using edge booster, a brush, a clip, an edge tool, 2 combs, one with a rat tail. I mean, you don't have to have 2 combs, you got one. One rat tail, one regular. A mini flat iron for my leave out, and a crimper. I got this crimper from Sally's. You can get this at your local Sally's. This was about like $50. It's Ion. I don't know if y'all can see that, but this is the brand. So yeah, go copy one. It goes up to 450 degrees. Yep, kind of dirty, but that says 450. So yeah, not much more to explain. Y'all just want to watch me work. So